seen the 24 and 25 of October. We have seen Meva Piavoklova with ring from Ukraine and from Belarus.
Okay.
Belarus with yellow color rings. And we also have seen birds from Estonia and Lithuania with rings, and some birds ring it in southern Poland.
Okay.
And what is Simon? What is name of Larus marinus in Poland? Mevashotwata with ring. 2 of them with rings from Helsinki.
Oh, nice.
Yes. And Meva's sister from Sweden, one and one from Estonia.
Okay.
So it was nice to come and look.
You are from you are which nationality you are?
I am from Denmark.
Okay. And you are in Poland teacher or?
No, I in Denmark. I work
in Poland.
In Poland as tourist.
Ah.
As, it's my hobby to look at birds.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Not at all.
Not at all.